Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all things Amazon products, hotels, even ways to make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new Handheld handheld console. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. So let's check it out. It's got buttons back here. You also get the Type-C charger for it, screen protector, and then kind of ways to clean it, as well as the user manual for it. This one is the RG35XX model. So let's go and actually turn this on. It's got two buttons right here for the sound, the reset, and then the power. There we go. All right. So it's got game rooms, it's got RA games, the app center, and then favorites. So it already comes built with over 5,500 games. So let's go and actually check some out. So let's just see some here. PSP, PS1, vertical arcade. Check this out. So let's actually pick one. We're gonna go ahead and do the PlayStation 1. And I'll just show you. So under PlayStation 1, look. Same amount, right? So let's actually pick one. We'll do the Crash Bandicoot. So here we go. So we can, all right. Let's go ahead and load it up. All right, here we go. All right, let's check it out. Oh, there we go. So you can see no lagging, works pretty neat, works pretty good. All right, let's see what else we got on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that reset button. All right, let's try out one more game. All right, let's try a different one. I want you guys to see the amount of games on here. We're just barely in the B's. Let's go the other way. So many games on here. Let's do Let's do this one. All right, let's try this out. Boom. Very, very cool. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new handheld game console with already all the built-in games, the 64GB memory card, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.